morning, everyone. It is Saturday, July 8th, and I'm going to Gunsai today with running for AE86, Hiroshi Takahashi-san. I don't even know what to expect from today, but I know it's going to be crazy. It's like 5 in the morning. It's going to be a crazy day. I just stopped at the 7-Eleven to get some breakfast, frozen fruits, and yogurt again. I'm really excited. I think it's going to be really hot today again. Checkpoint share for the day. Yeah, that's it for now. See you on the other side, I guess. This is 超やばい.
Low power, so I gotta get the car lighter. You met him at the Ebis, right?
Yeah.
Then you haven't seen his engine bay yet?
そうっすよ。前から乗ってるんですけど。
Hey, 佐藤さん。Hey, ask him.
ご会長お願いします。ご会長お願いします。
ご会長ね。はい。
やった。
ご会長ありがとうございました。
どうよ。
For AGE。
Yes.
すごく綺麗ですね。
Yes.
ITBs。
ITB。
individual スロットル。
なるほどね。
そうです。
使わせてもらいます。
お疲れ様でした。
佐藤さんでした。
ご会長か。なるほど。うまい。
Let's check his car.
カナダ。ね、何をしたらいいの僕は。
No.
車見たい。
あ、車。
はい、見たい。
ね、カナダ。Which one?
カナダ。
ね。
カナダ。
Hey, you know 69? What does 69 mean?
It's 67.
あ、69.
間違えた。
69.
ない。
67.
やったことある。
67です。
What did you say?
You said 69.
ない好き。
変態、バカ、汚い。
Your Japanese is not doesn't work on him.
Okay.
OK。
Speak it again.
ご会長お願いします。
何を？あげるの？
オープン。
あ、
ください。
オープン？
オープンください。
ご会長お願いします。
オープン。
I'm wearing a pants.
my helmet in the rain. I'm waiting for Takahashi-san to come and pick me up because he dropped me off to film at this corner. And I don't want to walk back.
Wow!
Elegant.
Don't worry,
Don't worry, I'm wearing.
I'm wearing pants. Because last time I came here, I wrecked into guardrail.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, what?
Are you nervous?
No.
No.
I went to forest with my Dora.
Oh.
Then this is beetle.
Kabutomoshi.
Say kabutomushi.
Kabutomoshi.
Kabutomushi means beetle.
Kabutomoshi.
Ah, cute. Cute ですね、サンドラさん。Can you hold on to this?
And just like that, the event is over now. I had so much fun. This is the Garage Infinity Drift Day at Gunsai, and it was such a blast. Again, every time I go to events, I just meet so many cool people. I met a guy who's from BC, like Vancouver area, named Alan. So nice to meet you, Alan. This might be my last drift event of my time in Japan, so I'm really glad. It wasn't so hot today, thank God. Hey, keep it down. It wasn't so hot today, but I am glad. Okay, so it is Sunday and I am actually at home now. I realized that I forgot to film an outro when I left because it was super hectic. I had to say goodbye to everyone. Thank you so much for supporting us as always. Join the Discord, follow us on Instagram, and follow us on Facebook. Have a great Wednesday or whatever day you're watching this on. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and boom!